Do you ever look at your car insurance bill and think, what am I actually paying for? You're not alone. Let's break it down in plain English so that it makes sense. Liability coverage is the one that most people are legally required to have. Think of this as the I messed up coverage. If you cause an accident, it pays for the other person's medical or property damage. But here's the key, it does not pay for your car or injuries, just theirs. Then there's collision coverage. This one steps in when your car takes a hit. So if you've rear-ended someone or backed into a pole, we've all been there, it helps repair or replace your vehicle regardless of who was at fault. And finally, there's comprehensive coverage. This is like the everything else coverage. It covers things like fire, theft, vandalism, hail damage, or when that branch decides that your car is a perfect landing spot to fall. Basically, if something happens that's not a collision, this coverage saves you. Now, not everyone needs full coverage. So if your car's paid off and worth less than what you would be paying in a year for coverage, it might not be worth it for you to have collision or comprehensive. But if you couldn't afford to replace your car tomorrow, it might be worth it. So a few other things to keep in mind are your deductible. So that is what you pay before insurance kicks in. If you have a high deductible, then you have a lower monthly payment, but you might risk paying more out of pocket if you do get into a wreck. And also, car insurance rates have gone up over 20% in the last 2 years. That's mostly due to car repair rates and medical rates skyrocketing. So it's worth reviewing your policy once a year to make sure that you're not overpaying for things that you don't need. And hey, if this stuff stresses you out, you are not alone. They make insurance confusing on purpose. But the more you know and the more you understand, you're able to make confident decisions that protect both you and your wallet.